Hello everyone, this is the quick walkthrough for my take-home project I created in Figma. The task was to develop a mobile user interface for a customer to retrieve their history of the past purchases with a company for a certain time frame using either a web-based or a mobile interface. So this way they can identify tax-deductible transactions and document them for the authorities. Here we have the interface. Got the overview, the time frame, the amounts, search and filters, and then we've got each individual transaction. For the time frame, we can choose 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, or the past year. When we do this, the total amounts update based on the time frame. So now it drops down. The filters, if we want to look for, let's say, Marriott, brings up all my Marriott. If we want to find somebody that's not in there, we'll go Starbucks. Nobody was found. Here we can filter by category, so it's like software, brings up all my software. Travel, this gives me my airline and my hotel stays. Here we can see everybody. Here we can see only the tax transactions. And here we can see all the non-tax transactions. We can mark these as tax deductible here. And now it gets rid of it and brings them over to the taxed. That was my Spotify. So now he's tax deductible. Oh, we made a mistake. Get rid of him. And now he's back on the non-taxed. When we decide we want to, everything's correct and we've got everybody sorted, we can make our export. It brings up either a .csv or a .txt. Here we'll download that. Go here. Let me move this guy over here. There we go. Get the dates. This gives me everybody in the last 30 days. That's what my filter was. We're not going to save that. In fact, let's clean this up a little bit. There we go. All right, now we're going to look at the mobile interface. In this case, it's a iPhone 16 Plus. Same as the web interface, same 30, 90, 180, and 365. The dates also update. We're going to do 90 days this time. See our amounts increased. Same functionality here. Starbucks exists because it's 90 days. Let's say Summit. Nothing for Summit Racing. Filters work the same. Office supplies. We've got Amazon. Hardware. Apple Store. We can do all the tax. And we can do all the non-tax. And then when we go to export, we will do our .txt this time. Yep, open this. And it gives us everybody for the last 90 days. See, 90 days. Well, that has been my quick walkthrough of the take-home project. I hope you enjoyed it.